Can you add colored pencil on top of gouache painting? This is a question I get a lot. So let me show you different ways to do it. And don't forget to subscribe for more gouache tips. So we can add colored pencil on top of a gouache painting. So this gouache, I painted it with a very soft and muted colors, and now today I'm looking for something with a bit more contrast. So I can grab my colored pencil, and I have a small box. It's a Faber-Castell 24 box colors, and I will take, let's say, some kind of burgundy, and I will go on top of my gouache just to give it more depth, add details, and maybe fix some values, and also give it some textures, because I liked it when I finished it, but today not so fond of it. And you can use complementary colors if you want to darken something, like this side. I can go brown. And also the white is really convenient, because you can maybe lower an intensity or create a highlight. So I don't want to cover all my gouache with colored pencils. It's just to enhance some parts of it. You can of course use gouache on any kind of gouache. I mean, this is a bunch of cacti in different pots. And by the way, this is one of my classes, so you can check the intro trailer here somewhere. You have the link. And you can add this for textures, but also to give more details and create some sharp lines that you cannot do easily with a brush. Regarding portraits, it can be also useful to use colored pencils to add some details, like a makeup, or this is kind of a star she has on her cheek. And this is good also for making loose strands, loose hair, and showing details in the hair. Usually colored pencils are very good for that. Here is another example of what you can do with colored pencils in the hair. This is really cool. Of course, you can do that with the brush, especially if you use a rigger brush, but it's really cool to have this soft texture of colored pencils on top of the gouache. So here are some ideas for you, and let me know if it's useful. See you there for another gouache tip, and don't forget to subscribe.